Jamaican style peanut punch, also known as strongback. Here's how you make this delicious drink. So starting off with the Guinness, you can't forget the Guinness. So I add about a cup of Guinness, but this is only for a serving size of 2 people, literally 2 drinks. So if you're making this drink for a big group of people, then definitely use the whole bottle. The Guinness is great because it really complements all of the ingredients. I'm also adding a little bit of oats, and then you want to add supplement or an alternative. So alternatives are nourishment, nutriment, or you can also add some evaporated milk if you can't find any of those. Then we're going to add the condensed milk. I love the condensed milk because it's so sweet. A tiny bit of vanilla extract, a little bit goes a long way, some nutmeg and some cinnamon as well. So you want to cover this up and you want to blend it. I blended mine for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then you want to serve it up. So as I said, this was a serving size for 2 people, literally 2 drinks. We had it on a Sunday evening and it was chef's kiss, delicious, creamy, sweet, just a really nice drink. And I'm also a big fan of peanuts too, so that adds a really nice kick. But if you're making it for a big group, then please make more than I did. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.